Project Current presents an immersive, personalized volumetric cinema through the aesthetic of generative neural networks, 3D game engines, and hybrid media. In this endless stream of three-dimensional data, the struggle to produce meaningful experience is evident. In an era of hyper-realistic, AI-generated images, the battle to differentiate reality from simulation is a recurring theme. Our experimental cinema touches on the challenge of creating content that feels authentic, reflecting on the complex relationship between humans, biological, and artificial intelligence. Rendered through the perspective of various agents, their bodies became portals to navigate non-human views of the world. As we venture in hybrid vision through this endless current of media content and sensory stimuli, we start to wonder on the subtext of this new attention economy. Are we the consumers of media, or is the media consuming us? The project dives into the concept of matrix movies, a simulated reality that engages the viewer's biometric responses, creating a captivating experience within the attention economy. The use of volumetric information in spatial distribution systems creates a dynamic environment, from cut-to-cut montage to world-to-world transitions. Depth maps, splats, and spherical harmonics constitute new forms of volumetric navigation within endless streams of generated contents, where viewers can step in and out of time. The advancements of mass simulation and generative realities suggest a narrative future where AI-driven systems dominate creative processes. The project is an embrace and a critique to the homogeneity of AI-generated content, highlighting the need for imperfections and unique perspectives to create satisfying experiences. The virtual camera zooms out to reveal the video frame within the screen, and further out to the real world where a super protagonist appears. These transitions symbolize the fluid boundary between digital and physical realities. The convergence of streaming media has led to a blurring of categories within a moving image, transforming cinema into a mere conduit for information transfer. This shift raises questions about the perception of time within a time-based medium. The seamless flow of images, reminiscent of natural documentaries, advertisements, and screensavers, they are personalized, recurrent, mundane, but addictive, suggesting a new form of sensory engagement. Current foregrounds the mundane moments and simulates how the algorithm collapses these moments into an endless transition. The increasing sophistication of AI models, which often resemble advertisement, presents an intriguing phenomenon. These models adapt to user preferences, creating a personalized experience that can be both immersive and manipulative. This dynamic interaction between viewer and content mirrors the adaptability seen in other forms of media consumption. This technological advancement influenced how cities develop, with living spaces now often centered around attention consumption. The shift from communal movie watching to individualized streaming has altered living spaces, particularly in urban environments where smaller apartments and personal devices dominate. This change reflects a broader societal move towards individualized consumption patterns, parallel changes in social behaviors, and the way people interact with their space. The addictive nature of streaming content, akin to doom scrolling, highlights the psychological effects of continuous media exposure. Despite the awareness of its detrimental impact, the allure remains strong, suggesting a complex relationship between viewers and the content they consume. An AI trained on a database of average image acts like a generative Pinterest, associating unrelated keywords into a biased output. Ballerina, tanks, and canned food on a snowy landscape became prompts to a stereotypical image sequence of Eurasian culture. Such normative understanding of the world, in turn, shapes our collective realities. Perhaps it was the viewer who imbues the visual input with semiotics and meanings, reflecting the spiral history from their own subconscious mind. Project Current serves as a commentary on the evolving landscape of digital media and the impact of AI on creativity and perception. It challenges viewers to consider the implications of living in a world where the line between reality and simulation is increasingly blurred. The evolving landscape of media consumption and production reflects broader societal changes, emphasizing the need for critical engagement with the technologies that shape our experiences.